A bidet attachment is connected to your toilet's plumbing and attached to your toilet seat. The contraption features a control panel and a sprayer nozzle. When the bidet's knobs are turned, the nozzle sprays water to clean the buttock or genital area. Adding a bidet attachment to your toilet has plenty of benefits. Improved bathroom hygiene that will leave you feeling ultra clean. Reduced dependence on toilet paper and wipes. Gentler cleaning for those suffering from hemorrhoids. Our top 5 bidet attachments guide includes everything you need to know about why a bidet is worth purchasing. 1. Zen Bidet. With the option for cold or hot water, this is our choice for best overall bidet attachment. It refreshes with the use of dual nozzles. Self-cleaning design keeps things sanitary. Unit is easy to install and also comes with the option for a warm water stream. As a downside, some users have difficulty linking the attachment for warm water. 2. Genie Bidet. Inconspicuous design with adjustable spray strength. Won't stick out like a sore thumb in your bathroom. Sleek design seamlessly blends in with the toilet. Nozzles are self-cleaning, and control dial is easy to reach. It may take a bit of trial and error to get nozzles angled correctly. 3. Aster Bidet. Inexpensive option with great water pressure. Works just as well as pricier models. Water pressure can easily be adjusted using the unit's knob. But there's no option for warm water flow. 4. Luxe Bidet Neo. Easy to control unit with a retractable nozzle that self-cleans. It can be used by young and old alike. Installs quickly and fits most toilets. Has a strong spray that gets the job done. Made with durable materials. Unit occasionally leaks and does not have a dual nozzle construction. 5. Albuster. Simple single knob bidet attachment design that's as easy to use as it is to install. Single knob allows users to choose between cleaning spray or self-clean setting. Installation takes less than 20 minutes. Not compatible with all toilet types. You can find detailed links in the description below.